At this point you have created a survey. To get started with mappings, we first need to create a group for the respondents that we can share surveys with. Here under the menu item Groups, you start the process by clicking on New Group. This will open a new group dialog box. Then you name the group under Group Title, like here where we call it My First Group. We optionally add a short description so it is easy to recognize internally. Finish by clicking on Create Group. Now you have access to the group's settings. The absolute most important tool here is the section Direct Link to Questionnaire. This link is the key to automatic creation of mappings. To see how to create your first mappings, you can find the video on the MapUs tutorial page or in the link in the YouTube description. If you go to the menu Mappings, you will see an overview of groups and their mappings. However, your newly created group will not appear here until the group has had its first mappings created. As people complete surveys, the list will automatically show the group and its respondents. If you need to categorize different groups further, you can create a group category. A group category is essentially just an overarching group that can contain several different normal groups. It is entirely up to you whether to use this function, and it can be used for whatever you might need to divide into overarching categories. Examples could be dividing the group across locations or across organizations or teams. You can also use it to divide the groups in a project context. If you have Team A, Team B and Team C, they can be grouped under a dedicated project category. So now you have created a group and know where to find the link to the survey that you can share with respondents.